So, I found one mushroom. What is it called in Slovakia?
Suchohríb.
Sukhori.
Suchohríb.
Sokorib.
Suchohríb.
Sukharib. Sukharib?
Suchohríb.
What?
Suchohríb.
Sukharib. Sukharib. What is it in English?
I don't know.
We don't know. Okay, we'll Google it. Ahoy, Che! Witajte na mojom YouTube kanali. My name is Kim and I am a Filipina living in Slovakia. Welcome to my channel again. Thank you for joining me today. Today we decided to go out to the woods and we going to pick some mushrooms. It's a holiday here in Slovakia, so we decided to spend it just having a stroll in the forest. And if you are new to my channel, it's your first time visiting here, welcome as well. Here I share my life and experiences while I'm living in this beautiful country, Slovakia. Slovakia is a landlocked country, so that means I don't expect to see some beaches here, and which is sad because coming from Philippines, you get to spend all summer long in the ocean swimming. But that is okay because even though Slovakia doesn't have a lot of beaches, they are blessed with beautiful mountain ranges and a lot of beautiful forest that is even near in the city. So even if you live in the city, Bratislava, just 15 minutes drive, 15 or 30 minutes drive, and then you are already in the forest, which is really, really beautiful. Look at this. My husband just saw a deer, but I didn't see it because I was too busy with the cell phone. But yeah, you can still find some animals here. Every now and then, some wild deers, boars. I think the last time, foxes, yeah, as well, but I haven't seen any. Bear?
Bear, not bear.
No,
Yeah, bear. I saw the bear.
no, don't say that. I don't want to see a bear.
Wild pigs.
Yeah, boars. There was one time that we went for mushroom picking. We saw a baby deer with a mama deer. Maybe they were 20 meters away from us, and I was so scared to death. I couldn't move. Thought they're gonna attack us, but they were so afraid as well that they just ran away from us. So it's a bit late in autumn already, and it's cold, so maybe we'll not find some mushrooms today. Who knows? Well, that's the thing about finding mushrooms, foraging mushrooms. You'll never know if you'll find something or not. But when you're looking during season, when they're there. You'll find a lot of them. But now, since it's late in the autumn and it's cold, so maybe we'll not find something. Maybe we'll go home without any mushrooms, but that's okay. We are just enjoying walking in this forest. Beautiful, beautiful forest. So, I found one mushroom. What is it called in Slovakia?
Suchohríb.
Sukhori.
Suchohríb.
Sokorib.
Suchohríb.
Sukharib. Sukharib?
Suchohríb.
What?
Suchohríb.
Sukharib. Sukharib. What is it in English?
I don't know.
We don't know. Okay, we'll Google it. It looks like this. If you can see it, you see it's color like leaves. Found one. Check it if it's nice. Give me the knife. It looks nice. It's firm. See, what we're looking for is this
Healthy.
spongy mushrooms. So it looks healthy, yeah?
Yeah, there's no signs of the worms.
Good. And no animal has eaten it yet. One tip when you're looking for mushroom is that if you find one, always check the surrounding area because there may be brothers or sisters in the area because sometimes they grow together. They grow like a family. And so you want to check whether there are some still in the area. Good.
Mm-hmm. But it will be full of worms.
No.
This one is different.
Also, mushroom likes to grow in this kind of area. As you can see, it's like a moss or something. That is the perfect spot to grow mushroom. You can see there's a cute little mushroom here, but it's not edible, of course. See here, and you can also find them in some logs like this. You can also find them here. You can see there are small little mushrooms under this tree. There, mushroom, but it's not something we can eat, so we'll just leave them be. We thought that what mushroom did you thought it would be?
Sukorib.
Sukorib. There's another one I'm seeing there, but I think it's not also sukorib. So from the cup you can see it's brown and it's look like the first mushroom that we found, but no, because when you look under, there's these gills, and we don't want that. This may be eatable, but we're not sure. This may be eatable, but we're not sure, so we're just gonna leave it. But it looks really, really nice mushroom. I found a mushroom lane here. There are a lot of mushrooms, but they're not eatable. Let me show you. So I've been seeing a lot of this here, and I'm not sure what are they. Looks like some kind of an egg, but not sure. If you guys know, let me know in the comment below. I would really love to know what is this. So we found this mushroom. I think they may be eatable.
Jedla bedla.
It's called in Slovakia jedla bedla. Jedla bedla? Found again another mushroom. So if you can see it, it's really hard to see them when you're just walking because their colors like seem like the leaves. So yeah, this mushroom here, but we're not gonna take this because I think they're not eatable. We're trying to stay away from these mushrooms with the gills under their cup like this, because some of them are poisonous. Some can be eaten, but we're not an expert, so we don't take them. As you can see, this one not good. here is a poisonous mushroom. Danke said that when a mushroom is green in color, it is for sure poisonous. So when you find green mushroom, stay away from it because it's for sure poisonous. Okay, so Danko found another one, but it's eaten by the worms already. Yuck! You can see it's worm there. It's another sukoribi, no?
Yeah.
So, bye bye. Leave you there. Oh, he found another one. Oh, actually, there's two.
This one is also gone.
It's gone.
This one looks healthy. Yeah.
Something bite it.
It's okay. It's slugs probably. But
Okay, we're sharing the lunch of the slugs. Here, another variety of mushroom. But we're not picking it. Something bite it. I don't know what is it called in English, but I see this mushroom a lot here in this forest. In this spot there is a lot of mushrooms. See, another variety, but we're not picking them. Not sure if they are eatable, so we're just gonna leave them alone.
don't block the sun.
I'm scared.
What are you doing?
So we found this big, beautiful mushrooms. Wow! It's nice.
Beautiful.
Pekne.
Pink.
Krasne ryby. Is it good? So we still found a couple of good mushrooms. Look at this. This is like the best catch that we got. We didn't expect it. We thought that we're gonna go home without anything, but we're still lucky. They're still growing, even it's cold. So we will have something for lunch. Okay, so there you have it, guys. This is the mushroom that we picked early morning today, and we cooked it for dinner. We didn't have it for lunch because I was too hungry when we came back, so we decided to have it for dinner instead. Now let's try it. It's really good. It's very tasty. So I'm gonna finish my food. Dobro goed, and see you again next time.